Okay, I'm making a video of my engine being torn down, and here's the block right there, what it looks like on the inside. This engine had 66,000 miles on it whenever I bought it, and there's the flywheel right there. And there's the head on it. Dual overhead cam. Yeah, you can say whatever you want to.
More parts.
Yeah, there's more parts, and I think this is that's the oil pump. Like right there, the inside of it. I just know that. And there's the water pump. These water pumps, they're like really good water pumps from the factory. I think the aftermarket water pump might actually be better than this piece of junk. And then there's the pistons.
No, I'm driving mine today. He got hurt out.
A lot more power, especially for a
I couldn't tell the difference in power. It seemed about the same.